Hey everybody, happy Friday, happy last day of school. Can you hardly believe it? I know I can't. I definitely didn't expect to end the school year this way, but you all have done such an amazing job. Like I said in our foundations lesson today, I'm very, very, very proud of you. It is our last math review. We're talking about money and time. We're just going over that for, review today. So let's go ahead and get started. For vocabulary, all we have to do is draw a line to match. 60 minutes, 60 seconds, and a quarter. Just taking a look at these vocab words, I know that quarter is about money and these two are about time. And looking over here, this one is the only one about money. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my quarter over to 25 cents. And then I have 60 minutes and 60 seconds. Is 60 minutes equal to 1 minute or 1 hour? Yeah, 60 minutes can't be equal to 1 minute, so it's going to be equal to an hour, and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Wonderful. We're going to count on to find the value of the coins. The first thing I'm going to do is draw what they are worth first to help me out. So I have 25 to start. 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 10 is 45. And 45 plus 5 is 50. And 50 plus 1 equals 51. So how many cents do I have in all? 51. Number 5 wants us to circle the value of the coins. We have to figure out if this little row is less than $1 or equal to $1. So here's what we're going to do. Just count on. And we're going to figure out how much money is in this pile. I'm going to write it over here in cents. And then we are going to figure out less than $1 or equal to $1. So 25 plus 25 I know is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 5 is 65. 65 plus 1 is 66. 66 is less than 100. And if it was 100, it would be equal to $1. So we know for sure it is less than $1. Awesome. 6, 7, 8, and 9, we have to either add or subtract. Be very careful, because if you're going too fast, or if you were going to go too fast, you might miss the sign, and you might start adding when you're supposed to subtract, or subtract when you're supposed to add. So over here is adding. So I have 10, bring that 1 up there. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. 70 cents. Remember, it's super important if you're doing addition or subtraction to make sure that whatever you have keeps coming down. Okay? You'll learn about that more when you are a big 3rd grader talking about decimals. But with cent signs, for sure, you're going to have to bring them down to know what we're talking about. Let's do some subtraction here. Can I take away 9 from 8? Nope, can't do that. So I'm going to regroup. 18 and that's going to be 5. 9, 5 minus 2 is 3. 94 minus 7, I'm going to have to regroup. 14, 8, 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus nothing is 8. If I'm going a little fast, that's okay. We're just doing a review together. You don't have to submit anything to me today. It's the last day of school. All I need you to do is relax and just go over this review stuff with me. All right, 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Awesome. So now over here, we are going to write the time. I'm going to put H over my hour hands and M over my minute hands. My hour hand over here is in between the 2 and the 3, so I know it has not been to the 3 yet. Whatever the time is, it's going to be 2 something. Let's go ahead and count up by 5 to figure out what the 9 means. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Time over here is going to be 2:45. Over here, the hour hand is in between the 8 and the 9, so it has not been 9 o'clock yet. It is 8 something. Let's go ahead and count up by 5 to figure out 8 what? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Awesome. There we go. Flipping over to the other side here. Write each time, then write how long the movie lasts for number 12. So we are going to go see Super Dog. Are you kidding? Let's add some decoration to this movie poster. Super Dog. Awesome. All right, my hour hand is right on the 2. And my minute hand is right on the 12, so I know the time is 2 o'clock. And over here, my minute hand is still the same at 0, 0, but my hour hand has moved to the 4. The movie started at 2 p.m., it ended at 4 p.m., so all I have to do is count those jumps. 1, 2. How long does the movie last? Super Dog lasts for 2 hours. Awesome. For number 13, we're going to use the calendar to answer the questions. What is the date of the 3rd? Thursday. So this is asking us for the number. Let's find Thursday up here. Awesome. Thursday. 1, 2, 3. So the date for the 3rd Thursday is going to be March 19th. Or we could write it as 3-19 for March, the 3rd month in the year, 19th. All right, we're going to do some problem solving with this table over here for number 14. We have a movie schedule. We have movies like Super Dog, Banana Bunch, or Dino-Rama. I wonder what those movies are about. And then the time for those movies. So like we said, Super Dog starts at 2, ends at 4. Banana Bunch starts at 2:30, ends at 3. And Dino-Rama starts at 3, ends at 4. So number 14 is asking us, how long does Banana Bunch last? So we're looking just at Banana Bunch right here. Well, it starts at 2:30 and it ends at 3. So I don't even have to look at a clock for this. I know that if I am, you know what, let's look at a clock for it anyway. We'll just use this clock up here. Oh gosh, I wish I had my clock with me. Let's draw a clock. How about that? Whoops. I'll just hold it. Okay, so let's draw our clock. So starts at 2:30 and ends at 3 o'clock. Awesome. And we have 12, 1, 2, 3, and 12, 1, 2, 3. So I'm sorry for the bad drawing. So all that we do over here is we just go up half the circle. We start at the 6 on our minute hand, and then we go up to the 12. So all we have to do is count by 5 up, because this doesn't last hours, this only lasts minutes. It's actually a pretty quick movie. So let's go ahead and count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So Banana Bunch lasts for 30 minutes. Awesome. Even though we're starting at 30 and we're going 35, 40, 45, 50, I started at 0 and went up by 5 just to count the number of minutes passed there. Awesome. That would have been a lot easier with a real clock, but here we are. And last but not least, number 15 over here. Lance pays with a $1 bill for a cookie. Looks like a pretty good cookie. He gets dimes for change. How many dimes does he get? So we haven't gone over this. We ran out of time in our school year, so I'll just walk you through it really quickly. We have 100 cents for a $1, and this cookie costs 60 cents. Lance gets change back because he handed the cashier $1. So this cookie doesn't cost $1, it costs 60 cents, so he gets some money back for it. So 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 6 we can't do, so we're going to borrow. 10 minus 6 equals 4. And 0 minus 0 equals 0. So Lance gets 40 cents back in change. The question is asking us, how many dimes does he get? Dimes, we know, equals 10. We need to figure out how many dimes are in 40 cents. You might have already guessed it just by looking at what number is in the tens place, but let's go ahead and count anyway. I have 2 dimes here, 10, 20. 3 dimes is 30. 4 dimes is 40. So how many dimes does Lance get back? 4. Awesome. Amazing job. That is the end. Whoops. A 2nd grade math, you guys. You did it. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. You have done amazing. Every time I bring up a new topic to talk about, I'm always a little worried that, or when I did used to bring up brand new topics, I was always a little worried that like maybe I wouldn't explain it in the right way, or the materials that I used just wouldn't like help you learn as well as it could have. But every single time and time again, you keep blowing me away. You keep making me so proud to be your teacher. You get it. You're a math whiz kid, and I really, really hope you know that. I cannot wait to see what kind of math you do in 3rd grade. You better show me and stop by my classroom. All right, I love you a lot. I miss you a bunch, and I will see you in 3rd grade. Bye, everybody.